Eric Garage. Once again, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yes, it's Eric K. Garage. Eric K. Garage and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to talk about misfire, engine misfiring. Yes, home control engine misfiring. You like to change spark plug, your coils, but still the misfire is still there. Yes, it's the symptoms as will show you that your engine has a problem. I'm going to show you that problem. One thing, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't waste time. So if you notice that your engine has misfired, you change spark plug, you change coil, you do all things because immediately you diagnose, you get more cool. Yes, the sensors, bring the sensors fit out, or do everything, but still there. It's still there. Yes, it's fine, it's still there. One symptom to tell you that your car has jumped timing. Yes, your car has jumped timing. If your car jumped timing, you change back your coils, everything, but still the misfire is still there. Unless you set your timing new. So immediately you get that sign, the symptoms, you change everything, but still the misfire is still there. Go straight to your timing, open the engine and check your timing. Yes, check your timing. If the time is there, it's normal. This is something else. I'll count to that aspect later. But immediately you experience those things, check your timing and set your timing. Yes, to point off that uncontrolled misfire. Subscribe to the Gig Garage. I have more for you about misfire. Subscribe, share, and comment. Yes, thank you.